Hello internet, this video tutorial is about to how to create the expandable navigation drawer view. Okay, I'll be starting with the creating the new navigation drawer application which is provided by default. Okay, I'm giving the name as expandable drawer text view. Okay, expandable drawer view. Okay, test expandable drawer test. Okay, let me choose the SDK. I'll keep SDK as 21 only, and the API level, the minimum level I'm putting as API 16. It will be run on Jellybean only. Okay, click on next. Don't bother about all these things. Okay, let me choose the navigation drawer activity. The default activity will be created for us, and we can extend it for uh, expandable list view. Okay, I'm gonna keep it as it is. I'll click on finish. Okay, now Eclipse will create a dummy project for me, the default project. Let us wait for it. Okay, as you can see, the default project is being created. It's taking some time, so sorry for that. Okay, as you can see, the default project is created. This is the fragment main XML. We have to go to the fragment navigation drawer, and I'll change it to as you can see here, the navigation drawer fragment.java. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just delete the unnecessary things which are already provided by the uh, by default, and right now I'm deleting this. Later I will delete this part also. Okay, now I'll go to the fragment, that XML file. Now I click on this. Okay, there you can see the list view is there. I'm gonna change it to expandable list view. Okay, you have to click on change layout, and the option, you have to choose the option expandable list view from here. Okay, yeah, okay, I'll click on okay. Okay, now as you can see right now, the list view is now changed to expandable list view, so that we can use it in our navigation drawer. Now I'll go to the navigation drawer part. Okay, and I'm going to change the list view to navigation drawer list view. Let me import it. Okay, now the next part will be, we have to create a expandable list view adapter. Okay, first I'm going to create the expandable list view adapter by extending the base adapter drawer. Okay, new, I'm going to click on class. Let me put the name my expandable adapter. It will my the keyboard problem is still there. I'm soon gonna change my keyboard. My expandable adapter, pretty much good. My expandable adapter, click on finish. The class has been created. Now I'm gonna extend the base adapter, base expandable adapter. Okay, I'll import it, and I have to click on implement or add implement methods. Okay, all the abstract methods have been created with null result or zero result. Okay, you can see my expandable adapter is created. Now I'm gonna create the constructor for it, so that when I will be able to call it from my navigation drawer fragment. I'm right now I'm writing it as context, but later I will change it to activity. If you want to go with the same thing as shown in video, you can go, or you can directly write here activity, no problem. In further I'm gonna change it in the same video. I'm gonna change it, so you can continue as it is. Okay, now I need a array list. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm creating a array list of drawer item. I'm gonna create a class drawer item in which there will be a property called name. Okay, let me create it first. Okay, I'm the drawer item, delete it. Okay, okay, now I'm gonna hover on it. Okay, al, I'm creating the parameter. Now I'm gonna hover on it and create class drawer item. Finish. Okay, now I'm gonna create two properties. First will be the name. Okay, the drawer item is nothing but uh, a particular view. Okay, you can consider it as a group view. The string name will be used for the name of the group view, and after clicking on the group view we will see the another multiple list of view that we can call as sub views. For that sub views I'm gonna create a again I'm gonna create a array list of string. Okay, now you can understand that there will be a list of drawer item and there will be a list of list of string. Okay, so that we can have multiple layers. Okay, if you want to create a multi-level expandable view, what you have to do is you have to create another class so that it can be added here in array list. Okay, and right now I'm creating a new array list of string. Okay, that initialization has been also done. I'm gonna close it now. Okay, let us start now. The next thing is we have to fill all the methods which we are created. I'm gonna create a local variable here for c. This dot c equal to c semicolon, create a local field. Okay, the field has been created. Now I'm gonna create the same thing for al, the array list. Array list is nothing but the list of group, and inside al each drawer item will have an inner list for the sub views. Okay, now get the group count can be given through al dot size. It will return the number of list. Okay, the main, there will be a group and there will be a children. Now it asking for the children for the particular group. Now the group position will be provided by it. Now I'm gonna click on dot the inner list dot size. The inner list of size will provide you the list of the children views of group position. This, okay, the group position provided by this argument. Okay, now it's asking for the group. Let me fill this. Get child. Now get child position. It will provide you the position. Okay, the particular child at position in a particular group. Get child id, I'll pass the same group position. Okay, now get child id. Everything rest of the things I'm gonna put is false also, false only. Now we have to create the get group view, the main view, which on which by clicking on that we will get the sub views. Okay, I'm gonna remove this comment. Okay, first of all we have to check whether the converted view it's already created or not. If it's not created, it will be given as null, equal to, okay, it's equal to null, it's equal to null. It's gonna check whether group view is created, already created or not. If it's not created, we are gonna create it like this. Okay, enter. We have to first of all we have to create the layout inflator. Let me go something up, somewhat up. Okay, import. As I have already discussed, we have to change the type of C to adapter. dot layout dot group layout. The group layout is not yet created. Okay, I'll be creating right now. I'm gonna create it. Okay, the L should be small. Every letter in the layout should be small, because we are gonna create a XML file. Now semicolon. As you can see here, I'm getting the problem. The problem is because of the type of C right now is context, and I have to change it to activity. As you can see, the type is context. I'm going to change it to activity. I have to change. Casting won't help here. Okay, so please do not cast it. I have to delete it, everything. Delete casting won't work. Deleted. Okay, as you can see, the context is here. I have to change it to activity. Okay, I have changed it to activity. Now it will work perfectly. I'm going there and change it to context to C. Okay, C small. Okay, the capital C. Now I'm gonna have the get layout in Flutter. Okay, semicolon. Okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna create the layout for the main view, the group view. Okay, create new. Right now I am keeping it simple by creating a simple XML layout with text view. Okay, which is extending the text view, and only the text will be there. If you want to add some images or anything else, you have to create the linear layout. Okay, and then inside that linear layout you can create multiple, you can add multiple text views or images or anything. Okay, I'm selecting the text view, and name will be the group layout. Next, finish. The layout will be created. I'm gonna keep it as it is, or let me just change the color. I'll change the color for it. Group layout, wrap content. The background color I'm changing here. Okay, let's try with blue. FF00 FF. Okay, as the blue is really blue, I'm gonna change it. Add two more parameter for opacity. Okay, now it will change to somewhat yellowish green. Okay, the layout is created for the group view. Okay, now I'm gonna set the text for it. To set convert view dot set text, I won't be able to do set text, and therefore first I have to change it to text view. So I'm not going to change it to text view. I'm going to cast it. Okay, the keyboard problem is there. Okay, the text alignment, just a second. I'm deleting the text alignment. I am casting it. Okay, I'm providing a typecast so that I can use the set text method of text view. Text view, thanks to IntelliSense, text view is there. el.get capital L, come on. al dot first of all I have to do get, so that I can get the particular variable or at position, the group position. As you can see, I have to copy here, copy paste group position. I have got the group position. Now I'll find name. Okay, the group view has been created. Right now I'm gonna cut it from here. Okay, return the group view, the converted view. Okay, now I'm gonna now we have to create the child view. I'm gonna copy the entire thing from here. Is child selectable true? I'm gonna keep it true so that you can click on the child. Now I'm gonna copy the entire thing. Okay, copy it from here. I'm gonna paste. Okay, now change the things according to the inner view. Okay, I'm creating the list. Let me change it. Let me change it to child. Okay, as I have done for group view, I'm going to create a new XML view for the child view also. Layout, select the text view, next, then finish. Okay, I'm not going to change anything else here also. I'm just changing the height to wrap content. That's it. I'm going to close it. Okay, as you can see the group position. Now I have to get the particular name from the inner list, so that I'm gonna choose inner list dot get, and I'm gonna provide the index of the child position. Okay, that's it. No need to write anything else. I'm gonna delete it. Okay, that's it here. Now I'm going to go in my navigation drawer, and here I have to fill my array list. I'm gonna create a adapter there. I'm gonna create new adapter equal to new adapter. I'm passing this. Okay, now I have to create the AL with I need to create the array list of drawer items, so that it will fill in the drawer items in the navigation drawer. Okay, I'm gonna create a variable for drawer item, a temporary variable. Temp item equal to new temp item. I'm gonna give it a name for the temp item, which will be used for the group view. Let me change it to first. Now I'm going to add some strings in the drawer item PE item, so that we will have the first group view with number of sub views. Okay, every inner list value will act as a sub view. I'm just copying it. I'm just pasting. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Now there will be a group view named as first, and there will be 3 sub views for it, 1, 2 and 3. Now I'm gonna add it into the AL, so that our AL, at the end I'm going to pass my AL to my adapter. That's why I'm putting these things, putting the TE item which I have right now created. I'll just put it inside AL, then I will create another one, and then I'll put that also inside that. Okay, I'm just copying it. Let me format it. Now the name, I'm creating another variable with t item1. Okay, I'm changing the name for everyone, and I'm just changing the name of the group view and the list views also. Now as you can see, there are first and second two groups are there. Okay, and there will be three sub views in each. Okay, I'm just changing this. As you can see, I have in in adapter we have the property parameter as activity. So now I have to change it to get activity. Now I'm gonna run this project. Let's see what happens. I'm just setting the adapter before running it. The adapter is set. Everything is looking fine right now. Let me check. Yes, as I can see in my mobile, the application is running perfectly. Let me put the video on the screen. Okay, it's running perfect. I'm recording it. This is the final output. As I click on first, I will get 1, 2 and 3, and click on second, I will get 1 as 2 as 3 as. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks guys.